Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Jessica.
And I'm Mike. We're so happy you're here today.
Yes, today's topic is very important. We are going to talk about a daily English routine to improve your speaking.
Exactly. If you are a beginner and you feel shy, confused, or stuck, this episode is for you.
And don't worry, this routine is simple. You don't need expensive courses. You don't need to go abroad.
You just need consistency and maybe a little courage.
Yes, courage is important.
So, Jessica, let me ask you something. Why do many beginners struggle with speaking English?
Good question. I think most beginners focus too much on grammar.
Oh yes, grammar fear.
Exactly. They think, if my grammar is not perfect, I should not speak.
But that's wrong.
Completely wrong. Speaking improves grammar, not the other way around.
I love that line. Say it again.
Speaking improves grammar, not the other way around.
Perfect. So today, we will give you a full daily routine, morning, afternoon, and night.
Step by step, very simple. Ready?
Let's begin.
Step number 1. Start your morning in English.
Yes, the first 10 minutes after you wake up are very powerful.
When you wake up, don't check your phone immediately.
Yes, please. Don't open social media first thing.
Instead, talk to yourself in English.
Simple sentences like,
Good morning. Today is Monday. I feel sleepy. I will work hard today.
very easy sentences.
Yes, beginners don't need big vocabulary.
And this is important. Don't translate in your mind.
Right. Try to think directly in English.
Even if the sentence is small.
Yes. For example, look at your room and say, This is my bed. The window is open. My bag is on the chair.
You're describing your surroundings.
Exactly. This builds confidence.
How many minutes should they practice?
5 to 10 minutes is enough.
See? That's not difficult.
Not at all.
Okay. Step number 2. Mirror speaking practice.
Oh, I love this one.
Me too. It feels funny at first.
Yes, you may feel strange talking to yourself in the mirror.
But it works.
Stand in front of a mirror and speak for 5 minutes.
What should they talk about?
Anything. For example, my name is... I am learning English because my goal is to speak confidently.
Or talk about your plans for the day.
Yes, today I will go to the market. I have a meeting. I will cook dinner.
And look at your face while speaking.
This helps reduce shyness.
Because you get used to seeing yourself speak English.
Exactly.
At first, you may stop. You may forget words.
That's normal.
Don't panic.
Just continue. Even if you say, what is the word? I forgot. That is also speaking practice.
Yes, even struggling in English is practice.
Step number 3. Listen and repeat.
Very important.
Choose a short English audio, maybe a podcast, maybe a YouTube video.
Not too difficult.
Yes, beginner level only.
Listen to one sentence.
Listen, then pause the audio.
Repeat the sentence exactly.
Copy the pronunciation, tone, and speed.
This is called shadowing.
Yes, shadowing is powerful.
If the speaker says, I went to the store yesterday, you repeat exactly, I went to the store yesterday.
Even copy the emotion.
If the speaker sounds excited, you sound excited too.
Practice for 10 minutes daily.
And don't worry about understanding every word.
Focus on speaking clearly.
Now let's talk about vocabulary building.
Oh, yes. Many students try to learn 50 words a day.
And then forget 49 of them.
Exactly.
So what should beginners do?
Learn only 5 words per day.
Only 5?
Yes, but use them in sentences.
Ah, that's the secret.
For example, word comfortable.
Sentence, this chair is comfortable.
Word improve.
Sentence, I want to improve my English.
When you use words in sentences, you remember them.
And try to say those sentences 5 times.
Repetition builds memory.
Let's move to afternoon practice.
Yes, many people stop practicing after morning.
But improvement needs small practice all day.
In the afternoon, try thinking in English while doing daily tasks.
Like cooking.
Yes, I am cutting vegetables. The oil is hot. I am making tea.
Or while walking outside.
Yes, the weather is nice. There are many cars. I see children playing.
This turns your whole day into English practice.
Exactly.
Now, I want to ask you something, Jessica.
Okay.
What if someone has no one to speak English with?
That's a common problem.
Yes.
First, remember you don't need a partner to start.
True.
You can record your voice.
Oh, that's powerful.
Open your phone recorder, speak for 2 minutes.
Talk about your day.
Then listen to your recording.
Some people feel embarrassed hearing their voice.
Yes, I used to feel that too.
But it helps you notice mistakes.
You may hear unclear pronunciation.
Or too many pauses.
Then next day, improve.
That's self-correction.
Now let's talk about evening practice.
Yes, nighttime is very important.
Before sleeping, speak for 5 minutes about your day.
Past tense practice.
Exactly. Today I woke up at 8. I worked hard. I watched a video.
This improves storytelling skills.
And it trains your brain to think in English naturally.
You don't need to write.
Speaking is the goal.
All right, let's talk about confidence.
Yes, confidence is everything.
Many beginners compare themselves with fluent speakers.
That is a big mistake.
Everyone starts somewhere.
Even fluent speakers were once beginners.
Yes, nobody was born speaking perfect English.
So stop saying, "My English is bad." Instead, say, "My English is improving."
Positive self-talk changes everything. Now I want to give a challenge to our listeners.
Oh, a challenge.
Yes, 30-day speaking challenge.
I love it.
For 30 days, follow this routine. Morning self-talk, mirror speaking, listen and repeat, 5 new words, evening recap.
Only 20 to 30 minutes daily.
After 30 days, you will see a big difference.
Your confidence will grow.
Your sentences will become smoother.
And you will not fear speaking.
Now, before we finish, let's do a quick practice conversation.
Okay,
I will ask you simple questions.
I'm ready.
What did you do today?
Today, I recorded a podcast and studied English.
How long did you study?
I studied for 1 hour.
Why are you learning English?
I am learning English to communicate confidently.
See? Simple answers.
Yes, short and clear.
Beginners don't need long, complicated sentences.
Clarity is better than complexity.
Final advice, Jessica?
Yes, practice daily. Even 10 minutes is powerful.
Don't wait for perfect grammar.
Don't wait for confidence.
Confidence comes from action.
Speak first, improve later.
I love that.
And remember, mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, if you never make mistakes, you are not learning.
Exactly.
All right, everyone. That's all for today.
We hope this daily English routine helps you.
Start today, not tomorrow.
Yes, today.
Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing
Keep improving.
and keep speaking English every single day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.